Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 12th, 2021, and you probably clicked on this video because you all wanted us to see if Yearn Finance is ready for blast off. Is this cryptocurrency ready to continue to shoot up in price? I got you. We're going to give you all that price prediction today on this video so that you and I can both be in position to win. So if you guys want to join me before I get started in our price prediction, before I get started in this video, and you all appreciate how someone is able to give you information that is not confusing, for one, and two, the price chart is clean. We don't have a confusing price chart. There's no need for us to have 15 technical indicators on our chart just to figure out where price is going to go. That is ridiculous. Anybody who has any indicators on the chart doesn't have an idea as how the market works. So if you guys want to learn more, again, tap in with me. Or at best, tap that bell notification so you understand, or at least you become notified of when we will upload our content, because prices change. And when prices change, you guys want to make sure you got a heads up as to what has changed so that we all can be prepared and not caught off guard in relation to where price is going to go. All right, so make sure you do all of that before you go, only if you appreciate our content. If you don't, cool, we got it. We understand that we're not meant for everybody. But if you're one of us who wants to be part of our community, make sure you do those things before you head out. All right, so now check this out. September the 29th, okay, was the last time we did our video in Yearn Finance, right? And take a look at what our expectations were. Our prediction was to see the price in Yearn Finance to do what? Go down. Now the question is, did it happen? No, it didn't. We got that one wrong. The trap beat us on that particular move. Instead of the price going down in Yearn Finance, the price went up. He got us. But check this out though. Maybe he did, maybe he didn't. Check this out. You guys can tell that we already had a point of restriction in the market in Yearn Finance, right there around $36,500, right? We told you all that. So for us to see the market on October the 8th get rejected there, kind of lets us know that we were pretty much in line to see this market still show us the weakness. So even though from out the gate of us doing our price prediction on September 29th, the price didn't go down automatically, it's kind of still on the table, right? We can kind of still see the price in Yearn Finance go down. We're gonna have to look at a couple of different time frames to see what the market really is trying to tell us, to see even if this cryptocurrency is ready to move up higher. Are we ready for an explosion to see this price in Yearn Finance go? Let's see. Okay. First, we're going to take a look at the 3-day time frame in Yearn Finance, right? So you guys can tell the price in Yearn Finance is still keeping in line with this long-term trend. That is one catalyst. That is one of the best things that we can see so far for Yearn Finance in order for this market to continue to go up, right? We're not seeing the price trade below that ascending line. That is massively important, especially for the long-term holders. If you're trying to hold this particular market in Yearn Finance for the long term, you definitely want to see that price continue to trade above that ascending line. Okay. Secondly, you guys can tell that we're not really going anywhere. I mean, the market in Yearn Finance is not really in a biased trend. Majority of the trading has been in between, I would say, $44,000, right? All the way back down here to $20,000. That's pretty much the majority of where the trades have gone in Yearn Finance. Makes you wonder, is this really a viable player in the long term for the cryptocurrency space? Because this market is not really giving us a massive movement higher in price. It's taking its time. This is the weekly time frame. Okay, we started out a new trading week. So let's take a look at how we ended last week. Look at that. The volume in Yearn Finance definitely came through, for one. Okay, and two, look at where we closed. The market in Yearn Finance still closed off of the highs. What does that mean? What does it, I mean, tell me, what do you think that means? Were there more buyers or were there more selling coming into the market in Yearn Finance? Let me know, because there's only 2 transactions that we will ever get in the market, buying and selling. That's it. So for us to see Yearn Finance close off the highs, what do you think it means? That there is more buyers or that there is more sellers, right? So I'm still seeing some weakness here in the market in Yearn Finance. Now, it would have been one thing for us to see this price in Yearn Finance on last week close up here towards the high of the bar, because if that was the case, then most definitely I will be saying that the price in Yearn Finance is ready to blast off, that the market is trying to go somewhere and is trying to go higher in price, but we didn't get that. So I kind of got to pump my brakes in setting the expectation of Yearn Finance trying to go up in price, right? This is the 3-day time frame. So we got 13 hours and 53 minutes left for us to see this market in Yearn Finance at least close up towards the high of the bar. Now the volume is decent, but the spread is small. So I'm going to have to look at this on an hourly time frame to see what type of prices are we getting in Yearn Finance, to see whether or not we're getting the strength or are we getting weakness. And so far, the earning hurdle that is in this way for Yearn Finance is $36,300. That is the only thing that's in its way. That's it. So as we're seeing this weakness come through into the market in Yearn Finance, we got to find a base, a support area that would allow us to come back up and retest that $36,200 price. Do you see it? And I do see it. The support area is around $32,000. So as this weakness is coming through right now on the hourly time frame, we cannot see this price break below $32,000 in order for us to see the price try to reclaim breakage above $36,200. All right, this is the play. I'm giving you all the play right now as to what the market needs to do in order for us to see the price go up. Right, this is the 3-hour time frame in the market in Yearn Finance, and you guys can tell that we are still seeing a whole lot of selling going on in the market in Yearn Finance. We are. Selling came in here, and then selling came in right there. Now, how do I know that? I mean, it's simple. Look at the volume. You look at the volume, and then you look at what price has done against that volume. We went down. So there's still some selling going on into the market in Yearn Finance. Okay. So now the question is, are we ready to see this price in Yearn Finance go up right now? To me, we're not. It's not there yet. We still have a whole lot of selling going on into the market in Yearn Finance. So do you think we need to get rid of our price prediction, or do you think we need to hold on to it and expect the price to continue to go lower? Do you even see a play here on the chart? Right? Do you even see one? Okay. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play the strength and the expectation to see the price go up. Now, I'm not extremely bullish in the market in Yearn Finance, no, but I can still see that there's more strength being revealed on the price chart than what I'm getting in terms of seeing the weakness. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction and say that we didn't get it right. We got it incorrect. So if we were to get out now in the market in Yearn Finance, that's around 14.93% loss, right? Right there. Now, in order for us to see this bullishness occur, I'm already dropping a play for you. Okay, in order for us to see this, market really cannot break below $32,000, right? We cannot see that happen. $32,000 price needs to really be maintained. Now, I'm going to give us a cushion though, because the market likes to try to take out those areas because people have stop losses on their charts, right? So the trap comes in and try to take out those stops and then moves the market the way you expected it to go, right? So now I'm going to bring it all the way down again towards $27,700. Okay. Now, like I told you, I'm not being extremely bullish into the market in Yearn Finance. I'm not. Matter of fact, we already saw rejection right there around 36,200. So as we expect the price to continue to go up, we need to be prepared to at least nibble off some profitability right there. So that's about 7.25% movement to the upside in Yearn Finance. Okay. Second area, it's going to be up here towards $39,300, maybe even $40,000, right? And that's about it. I'm not really bullish in the market in Yearn Finance. I mean, look at the prior historical information of price. We're not really seeing a movement of higher bullishness in this space. So we kind of got to be conservative in regarding to how high we expect the price to go then, right? The market is not that strong. So I got to keep it real. I got to give the information to what I'm seeing on the price chart. So this is it. I'm expecting the price in Yearn Finance to give us a little bit of strength. Now, I'm not being massively bullish. I'm not really expecting a blast off, but rather we can still see this price go up. Okay, so let me bring this in closer. And this is my expectations going forward into the market in Yearn Finance. I'm still expecting the price to give us some strength. The only hurdle that is in our way is like right there around $36,200, give or take. So now it's your turn. Let me know real quick. Drop me a comment in the comment section and tell me what are your expectations going forward for the next 3 weeks regarding Yearn Finance and where you think the price is going to be. Right? We all need to be in position and ready to pounce on the market once he brings the price to our price target. So let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.